Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Celestine, and I am back with another video. Today I will be teaching you how to draw a pair of swans under a beautiful sunset. It is very simple and easy to do, so if you are just a beginner, this is a perfect start. You will need A4 printer paper, a pencil, and coloring pens. Let's get drawing! So, I'm gonna start by drawing the river. And I'm going to do the waves. I'm going to draw the two swans. So, I'm gonna start from the front. Then I'm going to do the other one. So the man is going to be here, the male, and the woman and the female is going to be there. So this one's slightly a bit bigger, this one's a bit more smaller. Now I'm going to do the beaks. For now, it looks a little bit simple, but later on when I color in and I add a little bit more detail, it will look beautiful. This one is the, what I've added here, it is the wings. And I'm going to add it here as well. And I'm also adding the fur of the wings. Now that I'm happy with my beautiful swans, I am going to do the sunset. Oh, it's so beautiful! Well, it'll look even more better if it's colored in. And I'm going to add a little bit of the clouds. It's so pretty. Sometimes when I draw and it's so pretty, I just get way too carried away and I'm really proud of it. So perfect! I really love it. Now I want to add some birds somewhere here. Now that I've done this, I'm going to start coloring in the swan and everything. I'm gonna start with the feathers. I'm so excited! I really love this. Now, I'm going to start coloring in the sun. I'm so proud of myself. Coloring in takes lots of effort, but in the end, when it's all colored in, you'd be very proud of yourself and you're going to be happy. So good. I might even put this in my mom and dad's room because it is so pretty. And while you can see the swans in love in the middle of a beautiful sunset. Now I am going to do the sky. I'm going to color in my clouds bright pink, magenta, and purple because the sun is rising, and then it's also, they're in a tropical weather. it should be beautiful already if I add the sky. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. I'm loving this. I can already see the outcome. It's so nice and so lovely. And you know, I'm going to do some parts of the water goldish and bright yellow at the middle, because the sun is also looking at the water and then it's showing its reflection. Look, it's so nice. Now I'm going to do the rest of the sea blue. So now I'm going to color in the clouds, whitish grayish. So the last thing I'm going to do, the last two things I'm going to do is the birds. Now I'm going to color it black. These are my two swans in love in the sunset. Thank you for watching and drawing with me today. Try my tutorial yourself and maybe frame it for decoration around your house. I hope you enjoyed. Keep being creative and watch out for my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!